All right, here we go. Good luck, Kenny. kjrkorn. One box of 2015-16 NBA hoops. One box 57 out of that sack. Get it in there. Oh, football. Okay. Buena suerte, amigo. Here we go. Empty. And away we go. Yeah, courtside, Damian Lillard. Anthony Brown. Duda Brown. Duda Brown. This is going to be a red card. Matt Bonner. Right back. And Rondé Hollis Jefferson. Rookie. We got Bird's Eye View, Kyrie Irving. And Emmanuel Mudiay. Mike Conley, 239 of 299. Foil. And Jerian Grant. Rookie. Rookie. Such a rookie. Out of 2015, Kyrie Irving. Road to the finals. And Larry Nance Jr. We got Paul Pierce out of Inglewood. Gold Flakes. And Trey Lyles. Oh, what is that? Highlights. That's the first one we've seen of that one. Kobe Bryant highlights. Kobe moves to third all-time on career scoring list. It's card number 2. Is it all Kobe highlights in this one? Spencer Hawes, Dominator. Highlighting his career now. Terry Rozier. 22.3 points per game. Kobe Bryant, team leaders. He was much of a team leader last year. Jahlil Okafor, rookie. High Flyers, Dwight Howard. Stanley Johnson. Out of 999, Pau Gasol. Road to the finals. And Nemanja Bjelica, jelly owner. The 2015, Josh Smith. Road to the finals. And Willie Cauley-Stein. George Hill. Gold Flakes. And R.J. Hunter. Triple double, Rajon Rondo. And Khalil Oubre. Or Kelly Oubre, not Khalil. There you go. Kelly Oubre. Our red back is Austin Rivers. Red back. And Andrew Harrison. Rookie. Where's our autographs? Here's our first autograph. Bobby Portis for the Chicago Bulls. Rookie auto, hot signatures. It's our first autograph. And Jarrell Martin. Dion Waiters, 180 of 299. Hollow foil. And Kevin Looney. Such a Looney bin. Hey, Brian. How you doing tonight, sir? Our second auto is James Michael McAdoo. Hot signatures. The second year, right? Second year auto. Chris McCullough. Sort of. Hot shot. Oh, action shots. John Wall. That's cool. Ah, okay. It's a cool card. Hot shots. Or action shots, sorry. And Raheem Christmas. Feliz Navidad. Call him Raheem Navidad. Dominator Quincy Acey for the Knicks. Kings, make up your mind. Pat Connaughton. Eric Gordon, 20 of 99, artist proof. And Walter Tavares. John Tavares, Walter Tavares. D'Angelo Russell, NBA Dreams. Card number 1. Player number 1. Pick number 4. And Tyus Jones. Oh no, that was a good Dominator. Team leaders, Pau Gasol, 11.8 RPG. And Bobby Portis, to go with your Bobby Portis auto. Wrong stack, guys, wrong stack. Red back, Dirk Nowitzki, red back. And Daiquiri Johnson. Last pack, Kenny. Got Justice Winslow. Nice. 152 of 299. Silver. And Justin Anderson. Cool. We'll recap it real quick, Kenny. We got Justice Winslow out of 299. NBA Hoops Streams, D'Angelo Russell. Eric Gordon, 20 of 99. James Michael McAdoo, hot signatures. Dion Waiters, 180 of 299. Bobby Portis, rookie signatures. Out of 2015, Josh Smith. Out of 999, Pau Gasol. Kobe Bryant highlights. 2015, Kyrie Irving. And Mike Conley, 239 of 299. Thank you, Kenny.